Hey there, welcome to Health Legacy TV. Ever feel like your brain's running a marathon you didn't sign up for? Maybe you're juggling school, work, or just life, and it's overwhelming. I've been there too, and I'm excited to share something that changed my world: mindfulness techniques for beginners. Picture this: finding peace in just a few minutes, no matter how crazy things get. It's like hitting the pause button on stress and finally taking a deep breath. No fancy equipment, no special skills, just you, present in this moment. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes, and I'll show you how to start. If you love this, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Health Legacy TV for more ways to feel your best. So, what's mindfulness all about? It's just being right now. Instead of stressing about tomorrow's test or yesterday's argument, you're noticing the little things: the warmth of your coffee mug, the sound of your breathing, or even the smell of rain outside. It's about tapping into your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel in this very moment? The key is to just observe without judgment. Don't get caught up in labeling things as good or bad, right or wrong. Just be a curious observer of your own experience. Our minds are incredible, but they also have a knack for wandering. 1 minute you're focused on your breath, the next you're mentally planning your grocery list. And that's okay. Mindfulness isn't about silencing your thoughts. It's about noticing when they drift and gently guiding them back to the present. It's like training a puppy. It takes time and patience. Don't beat yourself up if you find your mind wandering 100 times a minute. Just gently acknowledge it and return your attention to the present moment. That's the practice. Life isn't meant to be lived on autopilot. It's in these small, mindful moments that we truly connect with ourselves and the world around us. Let's dive into the first technique. It's called the 3-minute breathing space, and it's like a mini vacation for your mind. The beauty of this technique is that you can do it anytime, anywhere. No yoga mat or meditation cushion required. Here's how it works. Find a comfy spot, sit down, and close your eyes if you feel comfortable. You can even do this sitting upright in a chair, feet flat on the floor. Now bring your attention to your breath. Breathe in deep through your nose like you're smelling your favorite food. Hold it for a second, then let it out slow through your mouth. Really savor that inhale and exhale. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently flowing out. Do this for 3 minutes, just focusing on your breath. That's it. No need to complicate it. Your breath becomes your anchor, gently pulling you back to the present moment. If your mind wanders to your homework or that text you forgot to send, no big deal. Just nudge it back to breathing. Imagine your thoughts are like clouds passing by in the sky. You notice them, but you don't need to grab onto them or analyze them. Just let them float on by. 3 minutes of breathing didn't fix everything, but it was like pressing pause on the chaos. I felt a sense of calm wash over me, and when I returned to my work, I felt more centered and focused. Research backs this up too. A 2018 study from UCLA showed even short breathing breaks can lower stress hormones. That's the power of the mind-body connection. Pretty cool, right? Give it a shot and tell me in the comments how it feels for you. I can't wait to hear about your experience. Technique number 2, scan your way to relaxation. Next up is the body scan, my go-to for unwinding, especially after a long day. This technique is like a mini massage for your mind, helping you release tension and find a deep sense of relaxation. Here's how it's done. Find a comfortable place where you can lie down without being disturbed. You can lie on your back with your arms by your side, palms facing up, or you can rest your hands on your belly. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Now bring your attention to your toes. Just notice any sensations you feel in your toes. Maybe you feel warmth, tingling, pressure, or even nothing at all. There's no right or wrong here, just pure observation. Slowly move your attention up, feet, legs, belly, all the way to your head. Spend a few moments with each body part, simply noticing any sensations that arise. Don't try to fix anything, just notice. Are your shoulders tight? Is your jaw clenched? Are you holding tension anywhere? Just observe these sensations without judgment. This one's perfect before bed. It helps calm your mind, relax your body, and prepare you for a peaceful night's sleep. Technique number 3. Turn your meals into mindful moments. Okay, this one's fun. Mindful eating. We all love to eat, right? But how often do we actually savor our food? Mindful eating is about transforming your meals from mindless munching into opportunities for presence and gratitude. Next time you grab a snack, don't just shove it in while watching TikTok or scrolling through Instagram. Put your phone away, turn off the TV, and give your food your undivided attention. Look at it. Really see the colors, the shapes, the textures. Is it a vibrant green salad, a juicy slice of watermelon, or a perfectly toasted piece of bread? Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of your food. Now, inhale the aroma. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, savoring the scent. Is it sweet, savory, spicy, or earthy? Our sense of smell plays a huge role in our enjoyment of food. Next, feel the texture. Is it crunchy, creamy, chewy, or smooth? Notice the sensations in your mouth as you take your first bite. Engage all your senses in this experience. Finally, taste every bite. Pay attention to the flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, umami. Notice how the flavors dance on your tongue. Technique number 4. Walk your way to calm. If sitting still isn't your vibe, try walking meditation. This is mindfulness on the move, a beautiful way to bring awareness to your body and connect with the present moment while engaging in physical activity. You don't need a treadmill, a gym membership, or any fancy equipment. All you need is yourself and a space where you can walk comfortably, even if it's just back and forth in your living room. Find a quiet place, maybe in your backyard, a park, or even a walking path in your neighborhood. The key is to choose a place where you can walk without too many distractions. Now begin walking at a slow, comfortable pace. Don't rush. There's nowhere you need to be except present in this moment. As you walk, bring your attention to the sensations of walking. Feel your feet hit the ground. Notice the shifting of your weight from one foot to the other. Pay attention to the rhythm of your steps, the gentle swing of your arms. Engage all your senses. Notice the sights around you, the trees swaying in the breeze, the sunlight dappling through the leaves, the clouds drifting across the sky. Observe the sounds: birds chirping, children laughing, leaves rustling. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the sun on your skin. Walking meditation helps you reconnect with your body, calm your mind, and find a sense of peace in the midst of chaos. Tell me in the comments if you're a walker. This one's for you. There you go, your beginner's guide to mindfulness. It's not about mastering it overnight. It's about finding a little peace, one moment at a time. It's about hitting the pause button on autopilot and truly experiencing the richness of this present moment. Take a deep breath, start today, and watch it change your life. You might be surprised by the profound impact these simple practices can have on your stress levels, your relationships, and your overall well-being. If this spoke to you, please like, share, and subscribe to Health Legacy TV for more health and wellness goodies. Hit that bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, stay present and take care of you.